It is night time. The room is quiet. Lights are dim. Rahul and Ananya are getting ready to sleep. Before sleeping, they share their thoughts, slowly, calmly, and through their conversation, we learn English, word by word.
Good night, Ananya. Are you feeling sleepy?
Good night, Rahul. Yes, a little sleepy, but my mind is still awake.
That happens to me too. At night, thoughts come slowly.
Yes, night makes us think more.
The world becomes quiet, and the mind starts speaking.
Do you like the night?
Yes, I do. Night feels calm and honest.
I agree. During the day, we stay busy.
At night, we talk to ourselves.
Sometimes, I replay my whole day in my mind.
Me too. Small moments, small words, everything comes back. How was your day today?
My day was normal. Some good moments, some tiring moments.
Anything special?
I smiled at small things today that made me feel good.
That is important. Smiling heals the heart.
And you? How was your day?
Busy, but now I feel peaceful.
Night gives rest to tired hearts.
Before sleeping, what do you think about?
I think about life, about people I love, about things I want to improve.
Do you ever worry at night?
Yes, sometimes, but I try to let worries go.
That is good. Night should be gentle.
Yes, heavy thoughts disturb sleep. Rahul, do you have dreams?
Yes, simple dreams.
Tell me.
I want peace. I want stability. I want to grow slowly.
Those are beautiful dreams.
And you?
I want to be happy, and kind, and strong inside.
Night thoughts show who we really are. Sometimes, negative thoughts come at night.
Yes, they knock quietly.
What do you do then?
I breathe slowly. I remind myself that tomorrow is new.
That is a good habit.
Night should end with hope, not fear.
Before sleeping, I like to say thank you.
Thank you. For what?
For the day, for food, for safety.
That is beautiful. Gratitude makes the heart light.
Yes, it helps me sleep peacefully.
Talking like this feels comforting.
Yes, words spoken softly heal the mind.
I feel less lonely after talking.
You are not alone. Night thoughts connect us.
Thank you for listening.
Always. My eyes feel heavy now.
Mine too. Sleep is coming slowly. And may our minds stay calm. The night becomes quiet again. Thoughts slow down. Eyes close gently. Through calm conversation, we learned English. Slowly, softly, just before sleep.
Ananya, can you hear the night sounds?
Yes, everything is quiet, but not silent.
I can hear the fan and distant sounds.
Those sounds feel soothing. They tell me it is time to rest.
Night speaks softly. We just have to listen.
Sometimes, my mind keeps talking.
What does it say?
It reminds me of mistakes, old words, old moments.
That happens to me too.
Then I tell my mind, it is okay, let it go.
That is kind. Being kind to ourselves is important. Do you forgive yourself easily?
I am learning. Forgiving takes time.
Yes, we are human.
Night teaches forgiveness, because tomorrow is a fresh page.
I like that thought.
My breathing is slow now.
Mine too. My body feels relaxed.
I feel safe and calm.
That is the best feeling before sleep.
Thank you for this peaceful talk.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts.
The night grows deeper, words fade, thoughts rest. With calm hearts, Rahul and Ananya drift into sleep, and English learning becomes soft, gentle, and peaceful.